Hi, I'm Damian at Bartlett Automotive. So we have an E46 330i four-door saloon, and this car is in for a full restoration. So full overhaul, full engine overhaul, full bodywork, the lot. So we are going to be doing a series of videos and watching us as we restore a modern classic. So these are becoming quite rare now, and I remember when I was working for a local BMW dealership that I was PDIing these, so that was sort of 20 years ago. So whilst they're considered an old car now, they're actually becoming a sort of a cult status with, you know, becoming a modern classic, and it's amazing how many people are wanting to find really good examples of these. So this one, I think it's got 2 owners, 80 odd thousand miles. Seen a lot of paintwork over the years, seen bits and pieces done to it. So, you know, we're going to try to put it back to like new and save some of these old cars. So the legendary M54 3 litre, this one, so it's in its good guys. It's an outstanding engine. It's been an engine that you know, obviously made BMW, so it was the go-to engine. Unmolested, this one is. If you look at it, it's just as it was, as it should be, so which is good. But yeah, we'll breathe some fresh bit of life back into it and pull it apart and see where we are.